Okay, I promised that I would show some Elisa source code. So here it goes. This is the Elisa JetBrains plugin. So as you can see, the language has sort of a Python style syntax. And here is the thing I was talking about, the state machine. So here you can see we have a state that's specified. You can have multiple states. I'm going to show you that. And then it enters into scanning the first state. It matches, performs some operation, and then returns. But here you can see if it matches this character, it goes back into this scanning state and continues matching. So this is a better example, the F strings. All mutation is explicit in Elisa, so you have to the advanced char function, it gets threaded through this function, and then you have to reassign it in order to mutate the lexer. So the lmut stands for linear mutable reference. And another thing that one of my favorite features of Elisa is uniform call syntax. So for instance, if I make a function, let's say foo, that does nothing, and then it takes a number here. This is basically just an identity function. Now I can call that function by just passing in a number like this, or I can call it like this. So there's really no difference between a method and a function. So, and here you can see the state machine I was talking about. First we we declare 3 different states, and they each have text has no payload, and then expression and inner string has their payloads. So here you can see some comments about what it's doing. So we declare the start state, and then we start matching. So these first matches, they return and stop the loop, return with the token. But here you can see the other states, they declare exactly what states are allowed to be branched on next. And here we can see the expressions here. So when we execute this block, we have to match on some form of expression afterwards. And then here's the other payload. So that's a quick quick tour of the state machines in Elisa. There's going to be more stuff like that. You can do more with this type of control flow. So this is not everything. And all of the Elisa source code is on GitHub in the description. Thank you for watching.